YouTube, what's up? It's your boy, C-Tom, hair guy, back again with another one. Yo, so I just got some braids. I got them in, actually I got them like Thursday. And it's almost time to take them out. Not this weekend, but the following weekend, I'm going to be taking these braids out. And I'm going to be doing some twists to get them trimmed. Yeah, I got to trim my hair, man. My hair is looking crazy. It's feeling crazy. I can tell I need a trim. I knew I needed a trim probably when I hit my year mark. And I just been, prolonging it. And it's bad to do that. Don't ever do that. But yeah, I'll be getting a trim soon. After these braids, after I do my trim, I am going to be doing box braids for the first time. So look out for that video. What else? Yeah, man, nothing new with the braids. I've been taking care of these braids longer or better than I was my last couple sets of braids. And I know my last couple sets of braids, I was like lazy with it. This one, I've been keeping them moisturized, keeping them nice because my hair, like I said, my hair needs to be trimmed. My hair is damaged. So let me show y'all what I'm talking about with these braids, man. If you look at the ends of my hair, you can see that it's furry right there, right? So I'm gonna have to trim a lot off that, like a bunch of that. You can see where it thins out at. When you pull it down and it thins out like that, that means you need a trim. So I'll be trimming my hair. I'll be probably chopping off an inch, half inch of hair with this trim. I don't know how it looks all throughout my hair because I really haven't done twists or anything with my hair. So when I do these twists, I'll be able to tell where I need to trim my hair and everything. So we'll twist it up, check it, see where it thins out at, and then chop off what needs to be chopped off, and then go back to having a healthy, luscious hair. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, man. But I'll give y'all a quick 360 of the braids right now. Check out the hang time. Each side. You know what I'm saying? The hair got longer though, so that's a good thing. My hair is growing. February 6th will be 15. So between these braids and my next set of braids, I will be doing a length check, and I'm gonna try to do it with a ruler if I have a ruler by me, because I don't know where I'll be doing my video at. But look out for the next video because I'll be doing a length check with the hair, showing y'all how far I got. If y'all want to know how long my hair was before, check out my other video with the length check I did, and y'all can see where I'm at before I had, or a couple months ago. And y'all can see where I was, and now we're gonna do another one, see how much it's grown in 2 months. I'm gonna do my length check after I get my trim. So if it looks like I didn't grow anywhere, it's because either my hair was breaking throughout the 2 months, it was, and I got a trim. So this trim is gonna help me. And then check out the progress 2 months after that and see if the trim helped with the hair growth. So yeah, just look out for those next 2 videos in the future, because it's going to show y'all that trimming your hair either helps it a lot or just help your hair from breaking. But just look out for those videos. Yeah, I mean, that's it. I'm gonna close out this video. I really don't have much to talk about. I just want to give y'all a good glimpse of the hair. Got 9 braids in. Just some quick braids, nothing too crazy, just something to keep my hair in braids until I'm meant to help it grow. That's it. It's not until anything. It's just to help it grow. So I mean, we're just braiding it up now, and then I can't wait till it gets real long to where I can do 2 braids. I can start doing designs. I mean, I can do some designs now, but I'm gonna wait a little bit longer. I like the way braids look in designs if you got a lot of hang time. So we probably stick with the original cornrows or keep doing box braids, depending on if I like these box braids. If I like the box braids, we'll probably keep doing that look, or go back to cornrows, box braids, or twists. I'm gonna start twisting my hair, 2-strand twisting my hair, see how it looks too. because I haven't done that with my hair yet. Um, so yeah, let's do that. We'll get into all that stuff, and then more to come, man. It's more to come. So I'm about to roll. I gotta get ready for work. It's your boy, C Time, hair guy, checking out. Keep throwing, keep going. God bless. Peace.